dust off the bucket. What's up, guys? So it's super cold out today. There's a lot of snow on the ground. There's my truck bed. It's full of snow. That's my window cleaning bucket. It's full of snow. It's the only thing that sucks about working out of a truck is when it snows. Get it all cleaned off. So what we'll do, I just want to show you guys my what I do on days like this. Not as far as actually cleaning windows, but just the solution I'll use. So right now we're at -1 degree. You can work all the way down to -20 with the windshield washer stuff, but past there we don't use like pure methanol or anything like that. We just try to keep it to the window washing for windshields like this. But you know, really past -20, it's not too fun to be out in the cold with. This is doable with a few layers on. Got my glacier gloves here. So let's look at what solution I use to clean windows in the cold. Alright, so I see here, I know I got a couple of jugs, windshield washer fluid, all frozen mops. I don't know which one to use, everything's so frozen. Probably have to go inside and warm some of this stuff up. There we are. So, oh, how cool that is. Alright, let me get, okay, so, dust off the bucket. It's all ready to go. I'm just going to use both of these now. We're just going to go do one job today. The other should we take care of. I'm not going to fill this up too crazy, but usually what I'd do is I'd fill up like 3 buckets. I'll get some more of this morning for me and our other guy, Alfredo, while our boss Jim is in Costa Rica staying warm. So I'll pour all this in. When it's this cold, you're only going to want to use straight windshield washer fluid. You're not going to be able to use any sort of water. Anywhere from like 20 to I'd say 20 to 32, you can mix in a little bit of regular water, but from there on, if you're going more negative, just use straight this. So straight that. I'm gonna go warm this up because it's frozen. So then you just want to put in like a little bit of soap. Soap and the windshield washer fluid foam up really, really quick, so you want to watch out for that. But that's pretty much it, guys, as far as what you want to do with your solution is. So windshield washer fluid, you can get it from anywhere really, any grocery store. The best grocery stores to get them from, I was trying to think of like Kroger, Safeway, Albertsons, King Soopers, whatever grocery store. Usually there would be less. If you go to the auto stores like O'Reilly's or AutoZone, they're usually like $4. You can usually get these for $2 at grocery stores. So a lot less money to spend on it. And I find in the winter season, maybe I go through 20 of these, maybe. I've only had one season where I went through a lot. I went through like 60, but that was just a rare winter. The winters in Colorado aren't ridiculous, so it's never too bad. But when you get it, you have a real cold day, and you know it's gonna be, just get 6 of them for your day. You know, don't wait and just get a couple and then put water in. I would just get 6, fill it up with that, and until you feel like it's 32 degrees and over, then you can switch back to water. But the second thing about that is when you're in the shade, you know, you can go back under 32. So put these in your thing, mix in, I would say, like, if you're holding it like this, mix in about 5 seconds of soap, and you should be good for your day. But that's about it. I'm gonna go thaw out my soap and get going. Have a good day, guys.